Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image a long time ago. Well, original is black and white, 4x5, and I had color yesterday, like so. This is the original black and white. Nice, I like this quality of the 4x5 black and white film. Well, that's a real long time ago. These boys are already adult, of course. Okay, I have this image color photograph. This is my subject today, and I have another this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Pretty clean pencil drawing type image. Now, what kind of image is gonna be? Well, let's get started. Okay, about this color image, I'm gonna make, well, okay, leave this black and white image. So I'm gonna duplicate this layer and select 3 of them as a group, color photograph, and now flatten this group image to get one color image. So we got black and white, pencil drawing type image, and color photograph, and this black and white original image. Let me rename. Okay. Now let's see, turn on this color image and turn on this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to, let's see, linear burn. Pretty impressive, huh? Wow, that's cool. Color burn. That's nice too. Well, overlay. Pretty interesting, huh? Well, pretty interesting illustration type image. Luminosity. Well, all the images I'm very interested in. Overlay, luminosity. Well, just leave it luminosity, and let me see, move this original black and white image, move up, then change blend mode to color burn. This luminosity effect layer gets so dark. Maybe turn down just a touch. Well, 50, 40, yeah, maybe 50. Let's see. Well, one of the variation illustration type image. 50%. Pretty dark pencil drawing type image. Well, pencil drawing type image, opacity about 70, then original black and white image, color burn, blend mode 50%. That's pretty interesting, huh? Well, about dark side, make mask on this pencil drawing type image to hide shadow area. Goes real dark. Make more contrast, right? Well, let's see. Just one image as a variation image. I just want to see how it's gonna look like. Well, okay, let's see. Right about this pencil drawing type image. Make mask. Now choose brush to, well, little pine and gloaming. Yeah, let me try gloaming first. Go for shadow area. Yeah, I want to see texture of the brush, so change to evolve. let's see, change using this little pine, gloaming, and evolve back and forth. Little area, I'm using that little pine. Yeah, I think masking is, I'm just showing the contrast with this mask to show the just mask to get some dark area, because there is no real black. Add some real black area to get some contrast of the image overall. Well, this is one way, one of the variation of the image from this. It's okay for overall image for this trees and background, but for boys, I don't know, this is kind of distracting, so I'm gonna erase this mask from this boys. Yeah, maybe good for masking background, but I need some contrast around here, so maybe I can use more smooth brush texture, like airbrushing to medium blend maybe. Let's see. Okay, well, just one of the variation, that's it. Yeah, get some a little bit dark. That's all to it. Well, okay, this is the one with the image. Okay, let me finish it up with maybe white layer around. Okay, just add one layer, then using evolve to make some white border. Okay, this is for one variation, that's all. Not much exciting. Alright, just keep it. Okay, I kept this image. Now second one. I'm going to turn off this white border and let me see. Take this mask off, then let's see with this pencil drawing type image. Change luminosity to, let's see, overlay. This is pretty interesting. Let's see, with mask, some part. Then let's see, original, color burn. Pretty much contrast, huh? Well, overlay max, original, black and white image, color burn, about 40%. Yeah. Color is pretty nice, interesting. Overlay effect. Nice color on shadow side. Okay. No mask. Well, delete this mask. Okay, then original color burns is fine, and okay, I'm going to clear this. Okay, I'm going to fill in with white, fill layer with white, then choose brush. How about the eraser tool? Recent, Stone Bay. Okay. Well, just like mask. It's nothing interesting. Just delete. Then this image, I'm gonna add layer again and fill layer with white. Then make mask. Now choose the brush to stickman. Then mask this with black. Well, that's about it. It's not much interesting, just different mask. Well, a different expression, huh? Yeah, we can make so many variations from these images. We change mask. Well, that's it for today, and not much exciting, huh? Many variations we can make. From painting, changing blend mode, using that original opacity, change blend mode to get some different effect, like so. Then pencil drawing type image as well. Yeah, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and let's be creative and find out something interesting image. Well, thank you, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.